my name is Komal. I am a student of IHM Bhopal and today I am going to cook long latika for you. So let's start with the recipe. Now we will start with the making of dough. We are adding around 200 grams of refined flour, around a half small spoon of baking soda and 2 to 3 spoon bigger spoon refined oil. And now we will mix it well. As we can see, after mixing it well, it can be bind easily. So now we will start adding water slowly. As we can see, now the dough is perfectly ready. So we will keep it aside after covering it with a damp wet cloth. So now we are starting with the stuffing part. First of all, we will heat a pan, add around 2 teaspoons of ghee. Let it be some hot. Now we will add semolina or rava, 2 bigger spoon. We will cook it until it turns a little bit golden brown. Now we can see the rava has turned to golden brown. Now we will add khoya. Khoya is around 200 grams. Two spoons of powdered sugar. We can also use the crystal one. Some cardamom powder. Dry fruits according to our choice. I am adding some chopped almonds and some raisins. And now I am going to mix it well. Now we can see our stuffing is ready. So now we will switch off the flame and we will take it out in a separate bowl. Now we are starting with the sugar syrup part. We will heat a pan, add 2 full cups of sugar, that is around 400 grams. Add 2 cups of water. With the help of whisk, we will mix it well. Now we can see as the sugar is dissolved perfectly. So now we will add around half lemon juice and 2 crushed elaichi. And now we will mix it well. Lemon juice will help us to clarify our sugar syrup. It will take all the scum up on the sugar syrup and then we will remove it. Now after cooking for 8 to 10 minutes, we can see that our sugar syrup is ready and it's sticky now. Now we will remove it from the flame and proceed for the next process. Now we will check the dough. As we can see, our dough is perfectly risen up. So now we will divide it into small balls. Now we can see that we have divided all the dough in a small ball shape. Now we will start it rolling. We will roll it in the size of puri. This will be the thickness of puri. Now we will add the stuffing. We are taking around 1 spoon of stuffing. We will fold it like this. And again the same fold. Now we will fold it from this side. And we will keep one of our finger inside, which will give it a good crispy texture. Like this. And now we will pin up a clove. And it's ready. We will do the same process. As you can see, I had prepared around 6 to 7 lavang latika. Now it is ready to fry, so we will fry it. Now we will heat a pan and add around half liter of oil for frying the lavang latika. Now we will add small piece of oil of dough to check the temperature of oil. As we can see, the temperature is good. So now we will add our lavang latika to the oil for frying. Now we can see that it's turned to golden brown. Now we will directly transfer this into the sugar syrup one by one. Now we will dip it perfectly in the sugar syrup so it can absorb that sugar syrup well. Now we are completing our presentation part. As we can see, now our presentation is completed. I had presented it with the help of some cloves, some green leaves and some chopped almonds to enhance its beauty. Thank you for watching.